Hello, my name is Sherine McEween, and today I'm going to talk about my project application to help interior design your home using AR. The roadmap. My presentation is divided into four major sections: the introduction, augmented reality, interior designer costs, and the solution. The introduction. First, I'm going to explain the functionality of the app and its requirements. This application is based on augmented reality technology. It uses the phone camera to scan the area of the desired room and determines its dimensions. For a second option, you can even create a dummy room by manually giving the dimensions of your room. Once the room is ready, the application will recommend you furniture items from the Furniture and Decor Items library which are relevant to your room and resized. You can select each item by dragging and dropping them to the desired position. The items can also be rotated and positioned according to your choice. The most interesting feature of this app is that it also provides an option to search for the exact same element or the decor item, or search the furniture according to the recommended dimensions. How convenient is that? Now one question arises. Why such an app? Why is it needed? Well, it is not easy for everyone to buy the furniture and interior design their own room. Moreover, if one does not have much knowledge about furniture, it gets even more difficult, and a trustworthy help is indeed needed. This application would do the exact same. While there is an option of assigning this task to an interior designer, only a few people are capable of spending that extra amount. Also, in today's busy world, there is no one who would want to physically go out in search of good and affordable furniture while they are busy with their jobs and other work. Since everything has moved to a virtual world, that is the computers, people have inclined more towards buying everything online. So what this app does is simplifying the whole task. It helps visualize the look of the fully furnished room without actually buying expensive furniture or even getting the wrong sized one. It would be such an hassle to go and return those items back. There might be times when you cannot even return back or they won't be accepted. Next is the cost efficiency. It is very cost efficient as it cuts down the extra interior designer fees which are not required to be spent in most the cases. It makes the whole process fun and interactive experience as the user chooses and places all the decor items to their liking. And on top of every single thing, it is convenient. From getting the dimensions of the furniture to creating the visual look to buying them every single thing done on your palm. Now, since we have the idea about the application, let's take a look at the technology that can be used. Augmented reality, also known as AR. Many searches about Many researches about application technology that calculates the dimensions of the object using mobile camera were done and are still ongoing. These researches based on image processing and AR is one such technology. It is an amalgamation of virtual and real world to create enhanced visual and audio experiences by working on data related to relative motions, lighting, and dimensions. Google AR Core. It is technology based on augmented reality with the use of which one can track motion, determine the dimensions of real-world items through the mobile camera lens anywhere and anytime. Knowing about this technology, one idea that comes to the mind is how about using it to create 3D or 360-degree view of room using phones. Well, one such AR application is Curate, which is by Sotheby's International Realty. The application is available for Android and iOS devices. This application functions on augmented reality technology. It allows you to scan the floor area of your desired room and provides you with a present preset of 8 to 10 furniture carousels which anyone can select from and scale it to adjust according to their liking to get a visual. It also has the fun feature of providing shopping links for all the items. Now, take a look at the interior designer costs. This is the data generated and provided by a website homeguide.com which shows the interior designer fees in the recent years. The amounts stated here are way too high for anyone to spend. According to the article, low-end furniture designing costs is about $1,900. The average charge is about $5,400 and on the high end it is over $11,000. As these fees are totally dependent on the time taken, the complexity of the design, and the area of the house, all of these fees can vary at any time. Who would spend that much of amount while looking for affordable furniture when they can easily save it or buy more furniture from it? Finally, the solution. To sum up, after going through all these factors, an interesting solution can be this app that creates a mock room using your phone's device camera and the room dimensions you provide. Following that, it offers pre-programmed furniture elements and size recommendations of them based on the size of your room. You can drag and drop these elements to your room arrangement to get a visual before purchasing the furniture. You can also look for online stores to buy decor pieces through this app. Similar to how the previously mentioned application Curate works, but in a better way as it provides individual decor elements library, gives the furniture dimensions, and enhanced feature search feature through which you can buy the exact item or even search for more recommendations. So, what are your thoughts on this project? Here are all the references to the articles and images that I used to create this presentation. Thank you.